Come with me to tour Virgin Voyages balcony room 10118Z. To enter the cabin, you need your wristband. This is a close-up on the wristband. You use it for specialty restaurants, paying for drinks. This is a central sea terrace balcony room with a hammock. This is not the XL sea terrace. Very nice, modern, and still spacious. Thermostat, and then the master switch for the light fixtures. We'll get started on the bathroom. It's a little bit on the smaller side, but it's still nice. It does have everything that you need, from a toilet bowl cleaner to towels to toilet paper, storage under the sink. The XLC Terrace bathroom is a little bit larger than this one. The shower door is a glass door, so I did appreciate that. It does have dual shower heads, the overhead rain shower as well as the shower wand. I do put a towel down when I take a shower. I hate my feet touching the floor. The cabin has a total of 4 hooks. The first 2 hooks are on the back of the bathroom door. And the other 2 hooks are here. Good for hanging your bathing suit, your shower cap, or towels. Here's the do not disturb button. When it's red, it indicates that it is on. Here's the closet area. There are some hangers, ample amount of space. General overview of the cabin, full-length mirror. So here's the mini fridge. I realized I forgot to show the storage by the closet. So here's where the safe is located, as well as additional storage drawers. We'll head back over to the desk area. Along with housekeeping services, water is replenished daily. Although there's a remote control, you can control the TV as well as the temperature from the room with the tablet. You can also order room service as well. I'll show you what room service looks like. So this is what it looks like when you order room service. Your food comes packaged in this container. So Virgin Voyages does provide 2 beach towels. However, if you do lose your towel, they will charge you $25. So make sure you bring your towel back. I came solo, so my bed is set up for a king, but you can also set it up for 2 twin size beds. There are a lot of outlets so you can charge all of your devices. One by the bed, one by the tablet, as well as one on the other side of the bed. You can also leverage your tablet to open and close the curtains, which I thought was really cool. Here's what the balcony looks like on the 10th floor. Virgin Voyages is known for their hammocks. That concludes my room tour. Be sure to follow Thriving with Vi on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to see highlights from my cruise. Bye.